Here's the M3. I'm gonna open up the garage just a little bit for the fumes to go out when I turn on the vehicle. This is for cold start, required by Cars and Bids. I'm putting up my M3 for sale. Fortunately, the time has come to let her go. It's been 10 years of pure joy and fun times, but I really hardly get to use it anymore, and I just hate that. So gotta let her go. Engine cover, the filter housing is nice and cold, not hot. Everything else carbon fiber, so it's not gonna be hot no matter what. But all the other metal parts are cold. Okay, let's do a quick startup and see how she sounds. Sounds nice. There it is. No issues whatsoever. No lights. The car is decatted. It has downpipes with no cats. So if you ever get a light, engine light, whatnot, it's just the cats. I've had it before and just clear it out, but there's no issues whatsoever. Alright, this is it. Any questions, just let me know, please.